Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip has to do with the absolute value function and shifting that function.
Can you come to the office, please? Deanna Sam.
So the function y equals the absolute value of x. And so if x equals negative 1, the absolute value of negative 1 is 1, so y equals 1. So I'll go to x of negative 1 and y of 1. Maybe I ought to do that in blue. And then if x is 0, the absolute value of 0 is 0. So that point is, and if x is 1, the absolute value of 1 is 1. So that function continues like that. That's the absolute value function. Y is the absolute, equals the absolute value of x. If I add 3 before I take the absolute value, let's plug in a value. Let's take like negative 4 plus 3. That's negative 1. Well, the absolute value of negative 1 is 1. So if I go to negative 4 in the x direction, oops, and then up 1, that point is 1. How about negative 3? Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0. So I go to negative 3, 0. And let's try negative 2. Plus 3 is 1. The absolute value of 1 is 1. So negative 2, comma 1. So you can see that that has just shifted to the left by 3 units. And y is greater than the absolute value of x plus 2. So let's treat it like equals for now. So the absolute value of, let's say, negative 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So when x is negative 1, y is 3. When x is 0, the absolute value of 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. And let's say when x is 1, the absolute value of 1 is 1 plus 2 is 3. And because it says greater than, we're going to use a dotted line, and we're going to shade everything above that. So outside the absolute value, it just shifts it up and down. Inside the absolute value, it shifts it left and right, if I add and subtract inside the absolute value sign.